Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an iPhone via Bluetooth. So first thing, make sure the buds are in the case, open it up, leave it just like this, okay? Now if it's in pairing mode, which we want it to be in, we'll automatically know. If I go to my iPhone here, I'm going to go to settings, I'm going to go to my Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and this little spinny thing here, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, and it looks like it's not showing up down here. The reason why it's not showing up for me is actually not in pairing mode because it's connected to one of my other phones. So let me go ahead and put this in a pairing mode then. So I'm going to go ahead and close the lid, both earbuds in, wait till the light here turns off. Okay, wait, it's off. Now I'm going to open them up and I'm going to touch both earbuds, touch sensor like this, and I'm going to hold it like this. That green, wait till the green light starts blinking, red, green, red, green, red, green. So still holding here. It took too long. Let me close the lid. Let me retry this. Let me wait for the lights to turn off. Now I'm going to go ahead and open these up, and I'm going to press and hold both touch sensors here. And let's see if it gets it working this time. Wait, there you go. Red, green, red, green. Now it's in pairing mode, okay? So it's in pairing mode. We'll go back to my iPhone. It's still searching here, and it already found it, okay? If it took too long, then you have to rescan it, turn Bluetooth off, and turn it back on so it can scan again. Anyway, it found it. Galaxy Buds FE. Right there. We're connected, and voila. Now, if you got any kind of issues, pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.